What is up, everybody? Golden Holden here, and today we are going to be looking at our pH levels and why it is important in maintaining your Bath Gold solution at a certain level, which is 4.2, and we'll be getting into that right now. Some signs that you know your pH is either higher or lower is your items that you are plating are getting dark around the edges or burning around the edges. A way to test your pH in your gold is a pH meter, and you can buy this on Amazon or just somewhere that sells them. They're really great for testing pH very accurately, so you can get the best results out of your gold. So when we look at our pH with our pH meter, that our gold right now is at 3.95, and we actually need to make our gold up to 4.2. And to do that, we have some salts here. This one's potassium hydroxide, and this will increase the pH when you add it to your gold bath. And we want to do it at little amounts at a time, and we want to wait in between those amounts because it is going to take some time for the pH to adjust in our bath gold. So we got our pH up to 4.2, which that is where it's supposed to be at, and now we're going to be showing you getting it down from a higher pH to 4.2 with the salts. So we have our pH meter, and it is saying that our gold is 4.46, and it needs to be down to 4.2. So we do have these acid adjusting salts, and when we are adding these to our gold and mixing it in, we want to add just a little bit at a time because it takes a tiny bit of time to change the pH of this. So I would recommend just adding a little bit when you are first starting. So we'll turn on our mixer. We'll just add a tiny bit. We can see it will start changing the pH level. And we'll keep adding the salts in at like 1 minute intervals just so we can get the pH down correctly and not overcorrect our pH. So we just got our pH down to 4.21, which the pH is supposed to be at 4.2, and this is very close, and this should be good for your bath gold. I hope this video helped with your questions about your pH and getting more awareness on the pH levels to maintain the quality of your bath. And if you have any more questions on the pH levels or the salts we used in this video, you can go to our website and contact us on our contact page and leave us an email or any questions you have. Thanks so much for watching.